The Nakto Camel is a beautiful electric road bike that features the timeless low-step cruiser-style frame with a robust 250-watt electric motor made for paved roads and off-road paths in the city. This model has a 36-volt lithium-ion battery pack with 10 amp-hour capacity. The electric city bike has a range of 20 to 25 miles, so it has more than enough power to last throughout the day. The bike comes with a thumb throttle and a pedal assist that makes each ride a breeze. The bike also comes with a 6-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. You will love riding it on congested streets and city paths. The frame is made of high-strength carbon steel with a premium paint finish. The bike comes with a rear luggage rack and a front plastic basket. The Nakto Camel is available in gorgeous white and black finish schemes.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.